Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at a new zero-tolerance sprint run, the Todd Rexford designed ZT808 BLK flipper, now available at KnifeCenter.com. Zero Tolerance has built their solid reputation in the knife industry by licensing iconic designs from custom makers, turning them into excellent American-made production knives. Their precise manufacturing techniques and use of the best materials available make them some of the best EDC and tactical knives you can get your hands on. The 808 is based on Rexford's Cesium model, taking his unique profile and dosing it with ZT magic. The blade on the 808 is a hybrid of a clip point and Wharncliffe profile, flat ground with a long swedge and made from S35 VN steel, making it ideal for heavy-duty and precision tasks. The flipping action is incredibly crisp, thanks to ZT's use of the KVT Bearings pivot that gives the knife fast deployment without the need for an assist mechanism. The handle itself is incredibly solid, and its curve allows it to fit lots of different hand sizes. Since it's made from deeply chamfered titanium, you're getting a knife that's comfortable to use but still able to take a beating thanks to a dependable frame lock with a hardened steel lockbar insert. The best thing about the 808 BLK is the style. This knife is blacked out with a DLC finish on both the blade and the handle, with a polished metal backspacer for just enough contrast, giving it a simple yet distinct look that just screams ZT and Todd Rexford. All in all, ZT has another winner with the 808 BLK. This well-rounded titanium frame lock flipper is an excellent candidate to be your next everyday carry or go-to tactical blade. This ZT 808 BLK is a sprint run, so once our quantities are gone, that's it. To get your hands on one, click the link in the description below. And to keep up with all our knife-related content, be sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, be sure to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.